Napoleon Machine's fabrication department is housed in approximately 30,000 square feet. We have capabilities of up to 35 ton. We have 6 overhead doors, 16 foot tall by 14 foot wide. We also employ the Bluco Modular Weld System. The Bluco Modular Weld System is essentially an erector set. We start with sets of lagged rails that are put into the concrete. Those rails are located precisely and are flat and straight within 0.03 of an inch. Then all of the components that are on the Bluco system locate on the rails. Any work table or horse can be moved along the rail system. Everything is kept track of in CAD, and we can reproduce any setup at any given time. The purpose of the Bluco system is so that we can have increased repeatability and reproducibility with our parts. We can make you any part today and 6 months from now and have the exact same component made the exact same way.